Choose a ball, grab a club, and have an incredible time.
Oh, number 4, this really knows number 24 on her first place, but she's keeping it strong, though. She's keeping it strong, but she's not going to let anyone steal that gold medal from her. Right in that corner, perfect speed. Look at our races, ladies and gentlemen. I haven't seen anything like it before. Oh, so we have 4 laps to go. 4 laps to go. 24 still going strong in first place. We got number 10 and 14 rubber and rubber now. And after that third place spot, they want to get on that podium. Number 14 down there. No pressure to bumping, please, guys. Thank you. Guys, we are halfway now with this race. We're halfway. We're 2 laps down. We have 3 more laps to go. Oh my goodness, number 24 facing, number 4 facing like orange and Charlie James, number 4 our last first place spot. I've never seen anything like it before. Oh, and number 10 in our as well, folks. I've never seen anything like it before. We have our gold and our silver stolen. Oh, and number 14 is by going on there as well. We have 2 laps left to go. We have 2 laps left to go to the home stretch of this race, folks, and how they take a turn. I never know what's going to happen. Number 4 is the first place by number 10. Second, we got 1 to the third, our first place is just the last. So we know what's going to happen. She can still make it out, folks. I don't care. Oh, and the white flag is up. The white flag number coming up on our final last lap of this race. This is the last lap. There's some really kind of back and forth here. You can do it, folks. I believe in it. Oh, look at my friend. We passed a minute of applause in space. I think he's close to the end of it. Oh my goodness, who's going to be listening? Folks, we have a winner. Well done, number 4. Good job, number 10 on the second place. Go ahead and take pictures.
Par is 2. Holy crap, guys.
Oh, the crowd goes wild. Oh my goodness. As I slow down the car, here I go to this right side of the track, all the way up here against the wall. To the right side, and then we stop right before that checkered line. We're going to keep going forward, guys. Thank you guys so much. Let's hold on at number 4 on that first place. Perfect, perfect. So good, now we're going to start pulling forward here. Number 10, you're good. And we're all going to go to single file line and we'll follow number 10 there. Thank you guys so much for racing with us. What a great job you did.
Par. One. Oh. Stop, stop, stop. Oh. Four. That's a 6. Nine. Oh, welcome to Tulsa, because Tulsa's on Route 66. Huh. Oh, Texas. Amarillo. Oh. 12. There you go. Back and do number 2. Arizona. I think they moved it around.
Welcome, guys. We're going to move one of these yellow boxes to the left or the right side.
Oh wait. 1. Oh, 2. 3. Oh. 4. I don't like Arizona. That's why I haven't been there. 5. So now I'm at 17. I went to Cadillac Ranch. I have a whole video on Cadillac Ranch.
We got number 48 first and 5 second. Who doesn't say that? Who doesn't know how to take the next turn goes? Oh, number 5 was barely missing that turn. Oh my goodness. Number 48 still in first, ladies and gentlemen. Single on the rhythm. We have 5 left to go. 5 laps left to go. Oh, there. Number 5 is hot. Number 48
21. 4 putted.
Number 48 just barely cuts him off. You can do it next time. I can do it next time. Folks, we have 4 laps up to go. We have 4 more laps up to go there. We're playing that side corner. Cycles. Neither one of them wants the other to pass. There, goes there, neck and neck. Classic mini golf. Lost in space. Scrambling with roller coaster. Laser tag. There goes number 9 side corner tight, guys. We have 3 laps up to go. We're halfway down this race. 3 laps down. 4 to go.
21.
We got number 5 and 2nd. We have our gold and our silver medals down. Well done, everybody. Well done.
22. Hey, 2 putted. No, so 23.
2 laps left to go. We have 2 laps left in this race. There's somebody left about number 48. They're number 5. I don't think you can do it like that. Oh, number 48 holding that first place spot so well. Look at him in that corner. Rounding that corner at perfect speed. I've never seen anything like it. Oh, he's just out of here. He's out of here. Guys, this is our last final lap left in this race. This is it. This is the home stretch.
Only 8 holes.
There, making that ladies and gentlemen, rubber. I was just barely